Hi everyone. So today we will be solving this question number 57 and 58. So in this question, primitive translation vector of FCC lattice are given. We need to find out the reciprocal lattice translation vector. So let's just solve this. B1 will be equal to 2 pi A2 cross A3 upon A1 dot A2 cross A3. B2 is equals to 2 pi A3 cross A1, cross product of A3 and A1, and A1 dot A2 cross A3, scalar triple product of these translation vector of direct lattice. 2 pi A1 cross A2. Numerator is just volume of the direct crystal lattice. Denominator is just the volume of the direct crystal lattice, whereas numerator is changing according to the primitive lattice vector of reciprocal lattice. Okay, we'll solve this. So A2 cross A3, right? This is I, J, K. A2 is IK only. I, K. A3 is IJ. So this is I minus A square by 4 minus J minus A square by 4 plus K A square by 4. So this will become minus A square by 4 minus I plus J plus K. So first we will solve the denominator, then we will solve the numerator for B2 and B3. So the denominator is A1 dot A2 cross A3. So this is A2 cross A3. Now multiply it with, dot product it with A1, which is A by 2 J plus K, right? Yes. This is A square by 4 minus I plus J plus K. So this will become A cube by 8 into J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1, so this is 2. So this will become A cube by 4. A cube by 4. Now we will solve A3 cross A1 and A1 cross A2. So A3 cross A1 is I, J, K. A3 is A by 2, A by 2, okay. A by 2, A by 2, 0. A1 is A by 2, A by 2. So this will become I is equals to A square by 4 minus J is equals A square by 4 plus K A square by 4. So this will become A square by 4 I minus J plus K. Similarly, we can solve for A1 cross A2. A1 cross A2. So this we have I, J, K, 0, A by 2, A by 2, A by 2, 0, A by 2. So this will become I is equals to A square by 4 minus J minus A square by 4 plus K minus A square by 4. So this we have A square by 4 I plus J minus K, right? So let's just see the options. Okay, we have minus I for B1, and for B2 we have minus J, and for B3 we have minus K. So I think every option has this negative sign for respective B1, B2 and B3. Let's just see how this will work. So we have B1 is equals to A square by 4 minus I plus j plus k divided by volume that we just found out, which is a cube by 4. A cube by 4 and 2 pi also. 2 pi also. 2 pi here. So this will become, this is 2 pi by a minus I plus j plus k. Similarly for B2 it will be 2 pi by a I minus j plus k, and for B3 it will be 2 pi by a I plus j minus k. So we have 2 pi by a factor. Okay. So 2 pi by a factor, this is for B1. I think so B1 is the correct answer. Now we know the reciprocal lattice for this one. Sorry, translation vector for FCC reciprocal lattice. Now to find out the volume of this primitive unit cell, there are two ways. First, as I told you that A1 dot A2 cross A3 is the volume of the direct lattice. So B1 dot B2 cross B3 will be the volume of reciprocal lattice. Either you can do it by this way, or there is another way, which is volume of reciprocal lattice is equals to 2 pi whole cube of volume of direct lattice, direct crystal lattice. Okay, that this volume we have already found out. Like I told you that the denominator is volume of direct lattice, which is a cube by 4. So this is 2 pi whole a cube, or divided by a cube by 4, right? So this is 8 pi cube a cube, 4 will go in the numerator, so this is 32 pi cube by a cube. Let's just see in the option we have, this one is 4 into 8 pi cube by a cube, so this is 32 pi cube by a cube, that just we found out. This one is 4 pi cube by a cube, this is wrong, and this one is pi cube by 2a cube, this is wrong, and this is also wrong. So A is the correct answer. Either you can solve it in this way, or you can solve it like or you can find out B1 dot B2 cross B3, which is just you just now you found out B2 B3, just do the cross product of B2 B3, and then what you got, just dot it with B1 and you will get the answer. The answer will be same. I hope everyone understood this question. So thank you.